How to change audio in Instagram Reels after posting. Changing the audio on an Instagram Reel after it has been posted is generally not supported by Instagram's current features. However, there is an exception. First of all you have to do is open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Once inside the Instagram app, tap on the profile icon of yours at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Once inside your profile, tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner. Then scroll down till the bottom unless you see help option available there, and all you have to do is tap on it. Once you tap on the help, you will get to see some options available on your screen again. And from there, tap on the report problem at the top. Now continue. Now again, include and continue. Now here, write down that you want to change the audio of an Instagram reel, and Instagram support will reach out to you as soon as possible. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.